Hello there, this is the Lego City 8 plus 60420 construction excavator with 643 pieces, 3 minifigs, and the excavator. It is more audience in real life than on camera. But let's look at the excavator and then some minifigs and other stuff. Here are the excavator. It has tracks which can move smoothly, because on the inside it is a rubber tire. And tracks are annoying to put together. Here are the cabin, a light, a roll cage, symbolize some protection, some joystick and a panel, studs on the back for easy in and out. On the back, there are this thing, and you can open the engine compartment. You can pull it out. A printed piece, a cool engine, has a jumper inside. And you can place the engine back. Some warning stickers, an elephant, probably a logo for the company, some lights. Here minifigs can walk up and work on the engine or something. Some ladders on both sides, some warning. A meter and this. The boom, the arm bucket. It can move up that much. And it can compress that much. It can be this deep. And this high. Over here it says 80 tons, the logo, some pistons up there, here and there, the bucket, elephant, 80 tons. This is my second excavator on this size, but I think this one is the best. At least the best when it comes to having minifig access and minifig play functions. You can put stuff on the bucket. The set came with those pieces. So that is it for the excavator. Now let's go to minifigs and some other stuff. Here are some other stuff. An ice cream shop, a different set. a jackhammer, a walkie-talkie. Here for the minifigs. And 2 of these barricades to keep unwanted people out of the construction area for their own safety. And now let's go to the minifigs. Here are the minifigs. 2 construction people. I have Hoy in the excavator and a construction manager or something. Orange vest, some grey overalls, grey pants, red cap, black suit, white arms, white cap. All of them are smiling or have a smirk. She has an hearing aid on one of her side. And that is it for these minifigs. This has been a review of the construction excavator set 6420. The set is really cool and the best minifig brick built excavator Lego has made. I think if you want to buy it, you should. And there is another set, the crane, that piques my interest. And this is definitely a cool set. It was originally 729 kronor, but I bought it for 529 Swedish kronor. This is a cool excavator and an awesome Lego set. Yeah, and that is it. Please like, share and subscribe.